a lot of space. What you talking about?
There's literally like no space.
There's a lot of space.
I honestly hate this.
So bad.
Alright, so we got the engine here. B18C. Integral Type R motor. We have a nice little turbo. And the head is rebuilt, resealed. So right now we're gonna drain oil, drill some holes for the drain. We got this little thing, so you don't have to weld. You just drill a hole, and there's two washers with a little rubber piece inside, and they basically seal the oil, and hopefully there's gonna be no leaks. If there is a leak, we're just gonna upgrade to the welded one. And got some piping for the intercooler for the EK pre-made. So yeah, right now we need to adjust valves, change the clutch, and do the oil pan. Transmission's off. Now we have clutch somewhere laying here. We're gonna quickly unbolt it, change the rear main seal, and put the new clutch on. Alright guys, so quick update. Rear main seal's on, clutch is on, new flywheel's on. Right now I'm gonna quickly throw this bolt it together and start putting it in here. I need to clean it up a little bit. I need to take all the exhaust off and start bolting mounts down and stuff like that. Transmission's on. I probably mentioned valves adjusted, engine base fully prepped, new mount over there, and then mount for there is on the transmission, and then there is another mount somewhere here. There's this little guy mounts like so. Just need to bolt it. I'm gonna put it in after the engine's inside. So right now it's time to put the engine in. I have a half shaft in, this mount back on. Engine is in, officially fully bolted down. Aftermarket mounts, they are like solid mounts, all the way in back in there. You probably can't see. One's here, and then the lower two they're just gonna be OEM ones, which they don't do much anyway, so they should be fine. So next step would be bolting everything else around the engine, wiring, and starting the car. Alright, so this is the next day. We also got this Skunk Pro Manifold, and we got a different turbo manifold for it. They called what, ram horn or whatever. So we're gonna quickly throw them on.
There's a lot of space. What you talking about?
There's literally like no space.
There's a lot of space.
I honestly hate this.
Where's the bolts? Where's the...
Man, this engine bay though looks nice. You excited? That looks sick.
Yep.
It's freaking beautiful.
I get angry very quickly.
And now we gotta find. Oh, it's right here. Oh, freaking heavy. Yeah. I'm gonna cut this video short just because I wanna keep posting at least once a week. Probably gonna be E46 video, Civic video, back and forth. So I'm getting some parts for my E46, so that's exciting. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.